In this video, I will show you how to perform basic math operations on arrays using NumPy. First, let us always import NumPy and create two arrays. Each of them will contain 5 integers. Now we can simply use symbols like plus and minus to perform basic math operations, like so. NumPy automatically performs element-wise operation on each of the elements of the array. You can also do subtraction, multiplication, etc. That's very simple and easy. You can also use multiple various functions. For example, you will probably often need to calculate dot product between two arrays, and you simply use dot function to calculate the dot product. Also, you can perform element-wise multiplications with scalars, that is irregular simple numbers. So if I take an array and add 10 to each of its elements, it will automatically perform this operation for each of them. As always, multiplication and subtraction will work just the same. Also, you can raise each of the elements to a certain exponent, like so. Finally, you can apply some universal functions to each of the elements of the array. For example, you can take a square root of each of the elements, or raise each one into an exponent, or take the highest value in the array. And you can pass each of the values in the array to functions like sine, cosine, etc. That may also be useful. So that's it for performing basic operations on NumPy arrays.